Once you've received your access email from the M2 system at the start of your fall product program, you'll be prompted to click the link in the email and get logged in. The system will prompt you through several setup steps, one of which is creating your avatar, the other of which is launching the parent and adult email campaign. Email addresses will be preloaded into the system for you from your council. Click the box if you need to translate into Spanish. If you would like to add other emails, you'll be able to after you send and continue. My particular user has 2 troops, so I'll be given the opportunity to launch for both of those troops. If you can also track the status. Right now, these are queued for sending. Once they are opened, didn't open, sent, delivered, or they bounce, I'll be able to see that update here. If I need to add additional parent email addresses, I can do that here. I can either use my address book or other contacts, or I can enter first and last name with the email address. These emails will be held in a queue until Go Day for Girls. On Go Day for Girls, these emails will be launched and look like they come from your email account to the parents and guardians, caregivers, and adults of the girls in your troop. The content is set, but the email will be sent with a link that the girls can click, and parents, to activate their online campaign.